Have you ever wondered why we divide the world in two different places? One of them is productive, is effective, and aims to bring better results to their companies, their CEOs, and their shareholders. And the other one is struggling because he wants to make a better world, but he needs resources and support. Well, I've been both places, and by navigating these two realities, I realized they were losing a lot of potential by not bringing them together and keeping them separate. For example, in Brazil, in 2016, less than 0.01% of Brazil's GDP was donated for charity or social initiatives. This is 200 times less than the equivalent here in the US. Of this amount, 60% came from big companies, even though these are less than 10% of all companies in Brazil, which leaves us with a lot of space to work with small and medium business towards engaging them with social initiatives. And we do this by having both companies and organizations build a profile in which they tell us their experience, their reach, and their needs, so we can find the best partner to have a great fit working together and bringing better results to both ends. We help companies find their cause, what they're passionate about, and then with this partner choose how they want to engage, so they have different levels to feel comfortable. We help companies discover their cause, what they're passionate about, and then with that partner, they choose how they want to engage in a way they feel comfortable about, and they can use their capabilities in the best way. They also set intentions up front so that the results and the goals they're looking for are clear and they're aligned into making the best of each project. This is available for a monthly fee of $80, plus you earn a badge that means that you're socially engaged. And this way, you can communicate that to your staff, your company, and this way, you can communicate that to your staff, your customers, and your partners. By joining both purpose and metrics, we make sure that employee commitment rise along with proven impact. And we have employee turnover and cost of internal projects for marketing and CSR departments, for example, decrease. This way, our value proposition is to amplify impact by having them partner and providing them with a process that's both simple and measurable. What differs us from the competition is we allow them to start small. They don't have to marry the project up front. They can start small and then check the impact and get deeper and deeper in the engagement with time. We also encourage them to build together because we believe that combining efforts can bring better results. And we really believe it. That's why we have a pool of partners, and some of them are already engaged in our conversation. Our go-to-market strategy consists of 6 easy steps. First, we find the champions and we find the companies who are already engaged and we see how they do it so we can build templates on the common grounds. What are the same principles or what are the common challenges they're facing? Then we build a how-to to help other companies also engage in this dialogue, also engage socially and keep track of these benefits. And then we communicate it and we make it clear what are the benefits of joining this movement and of engaging socially. This way, we can build a community of people who want to make a difference and engage in social projects. Once you have the community and the data, we can integrate AI and blockchain so that the match is perfect and we know exactly where the money is coming from and it's going to. So we add transparency. Together, we first validate everything we need to deliver and who is going to do it. Then we find 6 companies who sponsor the project, who believe in the project, who want to build it with us. These are companies who are already engaged in social initiatives, and they're Brazilians, so they really want to see the market change there. Then we can consolidate the beta version and expand it to other companies to join. This way, we have a community of companies who want to join in the other side and help social impact. We create a common language for them to dialogue and work together to solve the great challenges that we face today as a society. Thank you.